Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nutella Baklava. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of delicate phyllo dough, about 40 sheets, which forms the crispy foundation. We'll also use 1½ cups of rich melted unsalted butter, along with 1½ cups of luscious Nutella hazelnut spread. Don't forget 1 cup of finely chopped hazelnuts or pecans for that perfect crunch. Finally, for our sweet syrup, have 1 cup each of honey, sugar, and water ready. Now, let's begin building our baklava masterpiece. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Generously butter a 9 by 13-inch baking dish to prevent sticking. Lay down your first 8 sheets of phyllo dough, carefully brushing each one with melted butter before adding the next. Then, spread 1/4 cup of creamy Nutella and sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chopped nuts evenly over this base. Continue this pattern, using 6 buttered phyllo sheets for each subsequent layer, alternating with Nutella and nuts. Once all your delicious layers are assembled, finish the top with 8 more buttered phyllo sheets. Before baking, use a sharp knife to carefully cut the baklava into 24 diamond or square portions, ensuring you cut all the way through. Brush the entire top surface generously with any leftover melted butter. Now, bake your baklava in the preheated oven for about 30 to 50 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown and crispy finish. The internal temperature should reach at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The final touch for our baklava is the sweet syrup. Prepare it by simmering 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for about 10 minutes. It's crucial to let this syrup cool completely. As soon as your baklava comes out of the oven, immediately and slowly pour the cold syrup evenly over the hot pastry. This creates that wonderful sizzle and ensures maximum absorption. Let it sit for at least 6 hours, or ideally overnight, before serving. Enjoy your decadent homemade Nutella baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.